Have you ever crafted a strategy that makes perfect sense to you, but somehow it didn't land with the team? No excitement, no action, just silence. If you start wondering, did they not get it? Was it too complex? Or were they simply too busy? So today's topic, what I'm going to cover is landing the strategy for the busy mind, the art of strategic simplicity. As someone who works on strategic alignment and messaging across the globe, what I've felt and still feeling about is that the real challenge isn't about building strategy, it's delivering in a way that people can understand, relate to, and most importantly, act upon. So let's talk about the problem here. The professionals you are speaking to, they are running full speed. They're flooded with emails, decisions, and meetings. The brains are what Daniel Kahneman calls System 1 mode: fast, automatic, reactive. And what's your strategy? It demands System 2, which is slow, logical, and thoughtful. So there's a clear mismatch, and that's why the best strategy, if not delivered well, become a background noise. So the question is, how do I make our message land? So let's walk through a psychology-based order that works. Step one, start with why. Tap into the emotion, relevance, stakes, not logic, emotion. And that's where we engage the attention. Say why this matters to you, your team, and your business. Step two, explain the what. Give one clear, compelling idea, not five, 10, and not even, I would say, 15, obviously, just one. Say something like, this isn't just a strategy, it's your North Star for the next fiscal year or next quarter or 30 days. Metaphors definitely help. Stories helps more. Step three, show the how. Don't flood with frameworks, technical jargons. Give 2 to 3 actions, something they can do this particular week. Say something like this: here's your first lever to pull. Do just this. The step four would be anchor it when. People don't act on intentions, they act on calendars, timelines, deadlines. So say next time, for example, like say next time when you are with the client, ask this one question. So these are a couple of steps for you to reflect. Now, eventually, how in this section, we are thinking about the reframing strategy as how to move it, how to make it to the next level. For example, what I believe is I don't want to launch strategies anymore. I want to launch sequences. And here I do as an example. Like first day, I'll only talk about the why. Day second, I talk, or maybe I'll just put a short video or visual about the what and why, or sorry, what and how. And day five, I can have a calendar based reminder of when. Again, remember, which is a very important thing here. This isn't about communication, it's about behavioral design. So, in closing, in today's world, your strategy competes with thousands of distractions. And this is the reality. So, if you want to land, don't make it heavier, make it lighter, make it human. Because the strategy is only as powerful as the action it inspires. So the next time, don't ask, is this strategy enough? Ask, will this move them? Thank you.